Alright, guys, welcome to another episode here of Ryan's Ohana. So today, we are going to go into Epcot and we are going to ride Remys Ratatouille Adventure. We got a lightning lane for it. So we are going to see what it's like. This is the first time we're ever going to ride it. We want to actually go into Club Cool and Creations. So let's see what's in there. Let's go. There is the ball. Spaceship Earth. We are in Epcot. The Food and Wine Festival is still going on. There's the 50th banner. Can't wait to see this at night. I've seen a lot of YouTubers have it at night. So we're inside now, and I don't know where we're gonna head to first, but I know today we are hitting up Remy's. We have a lightning lane pass for that at 4, and then we're gonna head to after Remy's. We also want to hit Club Cool and Creations. So we'll see where we hit up. Oh, I'm recording myself. Look at all this. It's beautiful, man. It's beautiful in here. I love that they finished this. Looks really, really cool at night from what I've seen. Can't wait to see it at night. So this should be pretty cool. All right, so we took a little nap. You guys feeling better?
Yes.
A lot better? All right. That nap really helped for them. So now we get to go until 10 o'clock. We're going to see Harmonious tonight. And then let's see what else we get into besides Remy, Club Cool, and Creation Shop. All right, so our friends have never ridden Test Track before that are here. They came with us last time, but we opted out of riding Test Track. But we're gonna ride it this time around. So it's only a 35-minute wait. So let's get ready to go to Test Track and have some fun at Test Track. So we are here in Test Track. Single rider was open, so we're gonna ride single rider so we can get on quickly. All right, so we just finished riding Test Track, and we got in the single rider line, and it was amazing. It was only like a 5-minute wait. We literally walked right on. So if you ever look for the single rider line, and then you can get on really quickly. And yeah, that's something I highly recommend if you're trying to get more done out there. So we're taking a little detour and walking into the Creation Shop. Let's see what's in the Creation Shop. It's Groot. I am Groot. Got the Halloween stuff. Little Remy magic hands. Inside Club Cool. And there's Natalie waiting. So we made it inside Club Cool. And there's everybody else. Yeah, so you're trying different Coca-Colas from around the world. So yeah, this is gonna be fun. Alright, so we are about to try some flavors. We're about to try the Beverly. Try the Beverly. Ooh. Try the Beverly. It's a bitter flavor, but it's something to try. It's a bitter flavor, but you gotta try it. It's non-alcoholic. It's from Italy.
Madagascar.
Alright, so we're trying the Madagascar. Tastes like bubblegum. Tastes like bubblegum.
Oh, no, I don't like bubblegum.
I like that one.
Drink this one.
I like the Madagascar. It tastes like bubblegum.
It actually tastes pretty good.
Hit me.
I know, but it just tastes like bubblegum.
Alright, so we're gonna try the Dominican Republic. This is called the Country Club. The Country Club. Alright, ready? It's like a cream soda. It tastes like cream soda.
Like an orange cream soda. It's like full of champagne. It's from,
Actually, I like this one.
From El Salvador.
Yeah.
That's what it tastes like. Cola champagne. I can deal with that one.
Cream soda.
Okay, next. Korea. Apple.
Alright, this is Joy from Korea. Joy from Korea.
Let's see if it brings joy. Ooh. Okay, that's refreshing. Yeah, apple. If you like lychee flavor, you'll like this. Lychee is really refreshing. Yeah, that's actually really good. Okay, Royal.
Royal.
Philippines.
We're trying Royal from the Philippines now.
Yeah, we're just gonna do this. Okay. There you go.
Sour watermelon.
Okay. I can dig it. I mean, as a mixed drink, this one would be pretty good. Yeah. It has a weird smell though. Drinking it has a weird smell. Yeah.
Yeah.
Not my favorite, but not bad.
I'm gonna try one from
Okay, let's try
China.
it. I'm gonna try one from China. Here. Oh, here you go. Okay. This is China. China.
Trying China.
More sour plum?
Alright. Okay, smart. Wait. Sour plum flavor.
Sour plum flavor.
Okay, don't do that one.
Ugh.
Why does that taste like barbecue sauce? Oh.
Tastes like barbecue sauce. No. I'm glad I didn't get a full sleeve of that one.
Sprite, this is from Russia.
The Sprite from Russia.
Big little sour. Okay, Sprite from Russia.
Sprite from Russia.
Oh.
Okay, that got the taste out. of my
Okay,
mouth.
that's good. I would like that one. Yeah. Cucumber, I think.
Yeah, it's got cucumber. It's got a Sprite cucumber in it.
Diamond cucumber. This is really good. Oh, okay, this is my favorite so far.
I like the China one.
Nope. Okay. Moldova.
Last one from Moldova. The Viva Raspberry.
Okay. I like it. It's tart. I still like the Sprite.
Dominican Republic for me.
Like the,
Fragrant wise, this one has a lot of
like the
fragrance.
Sprite one.
I like the Sprite one. You like the Sprite one more? Yeah.
I like it.
I like apple lychee.
Alright, so we are leaving Club Cool. Don't get that one from China. It tastes like barbecue sauce. It tastes exactly like barbecue sauce. My favorite one was the Sprite one, the one from Russia. That one was really good. That was really, really good. Kind of like that one. So now we're gonna head out and see where the group wants to go next. There's Piglet. There's Piglet. He's hiding. He's hiding. Hi, Piglet. Yeah. Hide and seek with Piglet. Oh, there's another side. Wait. Oh, that's side. Alright, we are about to get on Figment. It's a 10-minute wait, so probably a walk on. So we heard Figment for the first time the other time we were here, and we loved it. We fell in love with it. Look. Flubber. This is pretty cool. Alright, we're about to walk into Ratatouille land with Ride Remys. So it's gonna be fun. Catch up to my group. Walking into Ratatouille.
I think he's in bed.
Ratatouille. Wow. This is pretty cool. Remys Ratatouille Adventure. We won't get to ride it for another few more minutes, for 20 minutes, and then we'll be able to get on. But this is really, really amazing. I like the details they did to make it look exactly like France in here. It's really, really cool. But yeah, so we're just gonna sit here and relax for a little bit because we still got 10 more minutes to go. So we're sitting here by the fountain. Feet are kind of hurting a little bit now. We still gotta make it till 10 o'clock. For the harmonious. That's what we really came for, was harmonious. I really want to see that. So we're gonna make it. I don't know if they'll make it, but we'll I'm gonna for sure make it. I know she'll make it. Yeah, we'll make it till 10. But I don't know about them. They may head back to their room early. But we still got to get up at 4 a.m. Not even 4 a.m. We still got to get up early. Because at 3:15, the Magic Express is gonna come pick us up, take us back to the airport. So yeah, it's gonna be a long night. Long night. All right, so we all got through for the lightning lane. So here we go. Walk into Remys Ratatouille, going through the lightning lane. So you just scan your Magic Band in. We were scheduled for 4 o'clock, so we came in at 4. So here we go. So let's get in there. Let's do this. Remys Ratatouille.
Remember, food always comes to those who love to cook, but not to those who are into dinner. Voilà, venez, suivez-moi, je vous prie. Chef Remy is waiting for you. Here they are, les invités.
All right, so we just got done with the Remys Ratatouille adventure, and it was awesome. I honestly highly recommend you guys get the lightning lane for that, because the virtual lane is long. So get the lightning lane for that. But yes, I really love that ride. The ride was amazing. We had a really good time on it. I love the smells. I love the details to everything. The way that the cart moves with the motions of it. I'm gonna post a video of it, because I got a full video of it. But yeah, it's really amazing. Highly recommend you guys ride that. So we are inside the Mexico Pavilion. We are about to do the bar, the tequila bar that's in here. Because I really love the cucumber drink that they have in here. So we're gonna get it. Yeah, because it's really, really good. So this line that we're in right now is for the La Cava de Tequila de San Angelín. This is the line. Just to get tequila. Alright, so this is the menu for La Cava de Tequila. My wife's gonna get this, the avocado. I am gonna get this, the cucumber. Oh, okay, you might get the blood orange, but I'm getting the cucumber.
It's $30.
Alright guys, so we are done for the day. We are waiting for Harmonious to start. We've ridden a couple of rides. Of course, Remy, you saw, we've eaten at some of the food booths. I didn't get the food booths because we got on the last time we were here from one of our other videos. So I'll post the link in the link below for the other video that we did, that we had all of the food that we ate, because it was the same food that we ate from the last time we were here. So I didn't want to get that. But we're about an hour away from Harmonious, so we're gonna just chill here. Our feet are killing us, and then we'll be ready for tomorrow to head home. So I'll see you guys when Harmonious starts.
All around us, the world is alive.
All right, so we just finished seeing Harmonious, and I gotta say, I know a lot of people hate on it, but this show is so amazing. I like it 10 times better than Enchantment. I gotta say, Harmonious is awesome. Enchantment's got nothing on this. It's got nothing on this. There's the Epcot ball, all lit up. As you can see me a little bit more, so we had a good time here in Epcot. We saw Harmonious, which is completely blew me away. I know a lot of people don't like it, but it completely blew me away. I really liked it. Definitely gonna see it again. I liked it better than Enchantment that I saw on the videos. So yeah, so we'll see y'all guys in the next one.